Do not fix your credit until you watch this full video, because if you're not leveraging these two things, it can hurt your chances of getting that collection, that charge off, that bankruptcy, that eviction, those student loans or late payments, child support, or even repossession off your report. And I'm going to explain why. And then I'm going to show you what to do instead. I got you. So when it comes to fixing your credit, there are multiple ways to dispute. But when it comes to these specific sites, right? Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and Credit Karma, right? They want you to use their specific, probably other sites, right? But they want you to use their specific sites to dispute with them. And they want you to use their specific dispute reasons to actually dispute the accounts that you're talking about. Okay. And most people, some people, and I say most, some people use these specific sites to actually dispute the accounts on their report, whether they have a collection, charge off, eviction, repossession. They want you to dispute using what they have already to offer. And what happens in when you use those specific sites and you use those specific reasons, most of the time they come back as verified, right? Verified because it's easy to verify that information that they want you to use. So instead of using this site and their site and Credit Karma, I want you to leverage this information, because you're going to be able to leverage the information that they already provide that they don't even think that you know about. And I'm going to show you how to get access and what to look at so you can get that collection, that charge off, that eviction, that whatever you want, just knock them out so you can improve your credit score. I'm going to break it down. All right. I got you. So here's what you want to do instead, right? You want to leverage your hidden report. By leveraging your hidden report, you can go to hiddencreditreport.com or click the learn more button, right? You're going to be able to get access to your report. You'll click on you'll see the reports, or on the side, you'll click on 3 bureau reports and scores, and you click on switch to classic view. Okay. And once you click switch to classic view, you're going to see your report. And what I would tell you to do is screenshot the negative accounts. Every negative account on your report, screenshot it and put it on the letter. And once you put it on the letter that you're going to send to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, what you're going to do is also mark it up. What I mean by that is you're going to look at the information. You're going to use the information that they give to you and use it against them. Okay. Most people don't know about this information, but you do now that you're watching this video. So TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax is reported information, right? And according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is the law 15 U.S.C. 1681B EB, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax has to assure maximum possible accuracy. So what that means is, if you look at last verified, right? Last verified, this, and this has to have the same date, right? Date last active, date last active, date last active have to have the same date. Date reported, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax have to have the same date. The balance also have to be the same. The open date have to be the same. All this information has to be the same on TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, according to this one specific law. All right, there are other multiple laws. Now, I'm not a lawyer. I'm just here to show you your rights, but there are other multiple laws you can leverage. But this one right here is going to allow you to use it. So you can create your letter. You can screenshot this account, put it on your letter, and tell Experian, TransUnion, Equifax to remove this account for violation of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, 15 U.S.C. 1681 EB, right? That's all you got to do. Put it on your letter and send it certified to Experian, to TransUnion, to Equifax, and watch you start seeing those accounts removed from your report. Now, don't forget to click the Learn More button so you can get access to your report and leverage this information and knock the credit bureaus out. Did you know that we're offering free credit repair? The only thing you got to do is cover credit monitoring. Let me show you how to get signed up, because I understand that you don't have time to go back and forth with the Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So I got you. I want to help you get to that house. I want to help you get to that car. Or maybe you want to get access to $100,000 in business credit. Me and my team, we want to help you. So let me show you how to do this and get signed up. So the first thing you want to do is, you're going to be on this screen. When you click the link in the comments and click the link or pin to the description, you're gonna be on this screen, and then you're gonna click on start. You can watch the video, but you're gonna click on Start My Free Credit Repair, okay? And then once you click on it, it's gonna go to this right here, okay? You're gonna fill out your information, right? You're gonna put your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email. All right, what's your biggest credit goal? Hey, let us know. We want to help you. Either buy a house, get a car, start a business, what that looks like. All right, so fill out one of these. I'm not sure right now. And then you're just gonna click on this and this, okay? And then you're gonna click on Start My Free Credit Repair, okay? And then from there, you're gonna be in, you're gonna get a text message, and you're also gonna get an email from our team. And then the next thing you're gonna do is create your smart credited account, because we need access to your report so we can craft letters based on your situation, right? We're gonna find the violations, we're gonna leverage the laws, and we're gonna be able to craft unique letters based on what you have going on, all right? So you have to get access to your smart credit report so we can get access to your report so we can craft these letters. So you're gonna be on the screen and you're gonna fill everything out, all right? And then from there, my team is gonna text you and ask you for your credentials so we can pull your report, and we're gonna set you up in our software. You're also you're gonna be able to download our app. You're gonna be able to upload your information. So, it's a legit business. All right, we got you.